What is up, humans? Today we're gonna check out this purple box GR release of the Krampus Nike SB Dunk Low Premium in dark smoke gray and campfire orange. This is the Krampus dunk. These are probably one of the sickest dunks this year, and they are relatively true to size. SB dunk size. I say that every time, so if you're not familiar with wearing SBs, plan accordingly. Ask your friends. If you normally only wear regular dunks, the SB dunks fit a little smaller because they got extra padding under your foot and within the shoe, so it fits a little bit smaller, different construction, etc., etc. But let's go ahead and jump into these things. Did I say they were 130 bucks? Releasing Small Business Saturday. I think we're going to try to do first come, first serve at both our Charleston store and our Columbia store. But be warned, you have to be early to get on the naughty list because we don't have very many pairs at all. I'm talking like old day short runs. Not a lot of these. 130 bucks. Small Business Saturday, Columbia and Charleston. Blue Tile Skateboards. Let's go ahead and look at it. Here you go. First of all, you have this Nike SB box paper. A break from the norm. It's it looks like charcoal or scorched earth, maybe from somewhere like hell, Hades, if you will. But also you have your typical box paper, wood grain box paper, like all your SBs. There you go. Here they are. Let's unearth these bad boys. Boom. Before we move on, here is your Nike SB sticker that goes in your box with your shoes. Boom. And here it is, guys, with your little Krampus label on there. We got the return of Krampus rolling in the background. But there's your Krampus gift card right there, so you can put your name or whoever's name on it. To so-and-so from Nike SB. SB in the smoke on your little gingerbread house. Guys, these things are super sick. It's got this full all over cracked material throughout the whole shoe. Kind of looks like the depths of hell. Kind of looks like charcoal, if you will. So this could be a lump of coal, or it could literally be like scorched earth, or you see the lava cracking through the dried up stone or whatever. So these things look awesome, but also you don't see this a lot. That cracked material is on the outsole, which is kind of sick. So little painted midsole action, but then you got this clear gum or clear red. Like it almost looks gum, but it's it's definitely like a blood red or lava red clear outsole. Looks pretty sick. Phylon midsole for extra shock absorption, and then you have this tighter tread on your Nike SB Dunk version. This is your updated outsole, not your OG Dunk outsole. There you go. So here's your inside panels, looking pretty good. These things look awesome, guys. Nike SB, or you also have Nike embroidered on the heel right there, and that bright orange looks pretty good. Campfire orange. I think it's really it's not campfire at all. So take a close look at this like thatched or hatched or whatever you want to call this material here on the tongue. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, also in that kind of blood red color. I think this hatching material, or hatched basket woven burlap looking. So I think Krampus carries the kids to hell in these little woven bags. So instead of carrying presents to the houses, he's carrying kids to hell in these little woven bags. So kind of cool. All right, more details here. You have this double stitched and turn and stitch toe box right there for extra durability for when you're skateboarding. This material does wear down, so you can see the orange, the campfire orange shining through on the side. As you skate these things or you wear these things down, this like cracked lava vibe will wear down and it'll be this bright orange. This bottom two laces right here has a lace protector. If you lace behind the lace protector, it will help these bottom two laces from popping. So another added bonus for skateboarding. Red aglets on these charcoal looking laces. Here is your not surprised inside tongue label. Also, you have your Lycra tongue straps to keep your tongue nice and centered on your foot. So that's always nice. I never can tell if you guys can see these things, but on the inside right here, you have memory foam heel pods to keep your heel nice and secure. In your SB Dunks also. So there you go. Before we look at the insoles, let's go ahead and look at the other shoe. Looks like pretty much the same here. Also on your inside label, not surprised there either. And here's your campfire red lace with red aglets, as you can see popping through there. So pretty cool lace swap also. And here you go. These are your insoles with different sock liners. On this one you have Nike SB and Air Zoom branding on there, and on this one you have the Krampus Nike SB snarly swoosh teeth on this guy. So pretty cool little sock liner design on these. And then of course you've got your lump of coal on your Zoom airbag, and then pour on forefoot. Again, both of these things more and more impact support. And then on the bottom of this insole you have the naughty list, short list of names on that heel pod. If your name is there, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you're going to be dragged to hell in a burlap sack by a goat-headed man. That is all, guys. I think I'm going to wrap it up. We'll see you in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. All that good stuff. Small Business Saturday. So the day after Black Friday, we're going to try to do a first come, first serve. If you don't get by the shop within the first few hours of us opening, they will land on our website. So for all you guys asking if we're going to have an online release, yes, but we're going to give the locals a couple hours to try to swing at them before we put them online. So there you go. Small Business Saturday. Boom. These things are awesome. What do you guys think of the Krampus? Dunk of the year? Dunk of the year? Pretty sick. That's it, guys. Peace.